So before going to the project components connection, so let us know the basic things of the Arduino Uno board. So here it is a Arduino Uno board. I'm not explaining each and every part. So here are the things which you have to know before going to the project. So in this Arduino Uno board, there are two ways to power up this. So one, you can connect the Arduino cable to this, and then you can supply the 5 volt, or you can use the battery and plug it here so that it will get powered up. And in this we are having the reset button here, so you can click this reset button for resetting. And another thing is, in this Arduino board you are having mainly three parts: the digital pins, and the power pins, and the analog pins. So in the power pins you will connect the 5 volts and ground and reset pins, and for the analog pins you will use the A0 to A5, and for the digital pins you can use from this 1 to 13. And note that TX and RX pins are 1 and 0.